So subscribe this channel and click the bell icon and like the video. If you have any question, just ask in the comment. Thanks. Friend, in this video I will show you how to fix on Instagram no sound if they are on iOS or Android or any device you using. Okay, so first of all you have to go to the Instagram. When you go to the Instagram, now I just telling to you there is the reel and I can't listen this voice. Okay, you can see I can't listen the voice of the above. First of all you have to go to your Play Store and App Store if you have App Store, and what you can do, update the Instagram. This is the Instagram, you have to update it. I using the Android, so I go to the Instagram and you see there is no update present. Okay, I have already updated this, so you have to first update this. Now the second option with you is you have to go to the Instagram. Okay, when you go to the Instagram, you have to just see any video. For example, this is the video I just showed you. This is the video, and how can you open the voice on it? Okay, I already open, but you have to just two option. With one option you have to click this double tap, you will like the video, but there is, you now see this at the corner, bottom corner, you see the sound option. Okay, you have to just click the sound option, the sound option, the sound will open. Okay, in all devices. So if this method work for you, that's best for you, and just that is will be best for you. So just do this. If don't work, then update this. If don't work, then install and then uninstall the app and again install it. So this will work for you. If this work for you, so just like the video and subscribe our channel and watch more video. Thanks for watching.